I'm going to be showing you today how I played checkers as a way to practice vocabulary with children using the Unity program. And I'm going to be doing it with Unity 144. First, I added stickers to my checkerboard. These are stickers from the Unity program. Then, I decide what move I want to make, and I say words that are associated with the two symbols with those locations.
I want to move. Put. To. Have. I want to move, put to have.
As the communication partner, I model the complete sentence, but I'm not necessarily going to expect that from my augmented communicator.
Have. Help.
These next couple of clips show how to give more feedback and instruction when you're making your moves. Let's vary it up a little bit, and let's work on adjectives this time.
I want to move.
I'm going to...
Nice. To. Old. I want to move nice to old.
I said I wanted to move nice to old. So here's nice with the flowers, and I'm moving it to old father time. All of the icon stickers that I put on my checkerboard are the first icon in a sequence for a verb, an adjective, and a noun. So now I'm going to practice a couple of nouns.
Holiday. Weather.
Now it's your turn, and you said you wanted to move this one, holiday, to this one, weather. Excellent move. Sometimes, instead of using a traditional checkerboard, I'm going to make parts of speech specific checkerboard so I can really target some key vocabulary that I want my person to learn. I have printable boards that I've made for verbs, for practicing adjectives, for practicing nouns, and if the board is color-coded gray, you can practice any part of speech with these icons. If you don't want to make your own boards, check out the boards that I have at Teachers Pay Teachers. Don't forget to have fun when you're playing, and vary it up a little bit. Change the word endings, or maybe use the word in a phrase, and then take it even further and use it in a sentence. Just have fun playing checkers.